This is my mugshot before. Hi, I'm staring at you because this is my after look. I just did a whole look with CoverGirl. You've been asking for drugstore. They sent me this huge thing and I thought, why not do the look with CoverGirl? We got a cat eye, we got like goldie eyes, we got this bold lip, we got eyebrows, we got it all. All with CoverGirl, even a glow on the cheek. Hey! So follow me right now as we go through this. I hope you enjoy it. Sit back and relax. CoverGirl time. So first we're gonna start with their Honey Brown Ultra Fine Brow Pencil. So this was super, it just glides on, super easy to use. My brows are a little all over the place because I'm using Rodent & Field's Lash Boost and they are growing in. They're kind of a little unruly, but I'm just gonna let it go. Next, I'm going to use the CoverGirl Lid Lock-Up, which is a eyeshadow primer, which I am a big fan of. I love eyeshadow primers. You look at a color and you think, ooh, that looks so cool, and then you put it on and it's non-existent. A primer is really important to get the full punch of color that you're looking for. Ah! It's 9 in the morning, I'm wasted. I thought I would use this kitty cat palette. This is the Katy Perry palette. Meow. I just ruined the cat. Oh my god, I feel bad. Don't call PETA. So this is just like a really pretty, just like goldy color. It's like a rose gold is really what it is. So we got this nice rose gold. Now I'm going to take this color, it's a little darker, and I'm going to put it in the corner of my eye. Wow, look at that, guys. It's like super pigmented. Getting a little bit of fallout, but that's normal. That happens with the big guys too. That's why it's always good to have wipes. Wipes are like your best friend. I'm just gonna blend this a little bit. Let's put some of this purple down in the middle. So I'm getting a little bit of fallout, but that's normal. I mean, I think that's why I like to do the eyes first, because then you can clean up everything as you're doing it. If you did the skin, then you'd have to clean up the concealer and the foundation. You have to redo it. It's like not worth it. And I'm just gonna kind of blend this darker color in my crease. And I'm an old lady. Like I got, you know, my eyes aren't fresh and young and 21. They've definitely seen a lot. I kind of feel like my hands, it's going to be better to do with my hands. I'm just feeling that way. Wow, that's really gold. It's pretty. Love that gold. Hey, that really popped it up a notch. All right, again, I'm cleaning under my eyes. Just a pretty neutral look. This is their liquid liner, number 335. This is like a brown. Comes in a bunch of different colors, and I thought I would just go brown. This glides on super easily. It's really easy to use. It's a nice brush. I like the whole application part of it. I think I'll flick it a little bit for a little bit of a wing effect. This brush is super easy to use. The formula is really nice. I really like it. Now I'm just gonna curl my lashes. It's good to hold them for a good 10 seconds. Really opens them up. It's better than pump, 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 pump. Great, now I can see. Okay, so now we're gonna use the Peacock Flare Hydrofuge non-waterproof in 785. I still got it. Flaring like a peacock. Flare your colors, Peacock girl. I really like that. I'm gonna actually put it on my bottom lashes too. Super cute. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little skin. Love the skin you're in. So I'm gonna try this Vitalist Go Glow Luminizing Lotion. It's really like, feels very like tinted moisturizer-y. It's a very light, coverage. So if you need something a little heavier, this is probably not your jam. It's a little light. I think I need a little more coverage too. I'm going to use their Healthy Concealers. I do like this concealer. It's also very light. I think the coverage factor, it's very light, guys. So if you need more coverage, you might want to get something else. But I am feeling all the eye stuff a lot. The eyes look good. I'm feeling myself. Okay, we're like evening out. Try this Healthy Glow. It's a highlighter. This is number 3. And I really like it. It's like you don't even need blush with this. It's just like a nice golden glow. It's called Vitalist Healthy Glow. This is number 4. There we go. Get her in there. Get her in there. This would look good on like caramel skin. Okay, let's see. We're gonna try something a little darker. This is 742, medium beige. Simon's crying. You might hear him. He wants to come in. Just gonna do a little bit to take down any shine. There we go. So my son's outside and my nanny had to tell him he wasn't going to go to Disneyland if he bothered me. Crushing boys' dreams while we make tutorials for you. Okay, so that I put a little powder on. This is a foundation, I think. Healthy powder. I'm beginning to feel a theme here. Everything's healthy. So this line has been working out, going to the gym, eating healthy, drinking water, doing yoga, breathing, doing transcendental meditation, really healthy line. Now, the lip situation, they've literally sent me 7 billion lips. Like, I don't even know which one to use. So there's the Cats and then the major shade, the Queen collection. They have this like melting glitter thing. They sent a lot of lips. All these lips. These are the CoverGirl Melting Pout. I'll go for a pink. I just don't want to be super boring and do nothing, but how many lips can I put on? So then I'm going to put on 300 Secret in their CoverGirl Melting Pout. Wow, that's really pretty and I really like it. And it feels really smooth. And I think it's like matte, but it feels moisturizing. So if you're looking for like a moisturizing matte lip color, again, this is called Secret. Like, I have a secret. Maybe I throw some gloss on top of it. So major shade Wedding Crasher. What a great name. Oh, these are awesome. Wow. Wow, that was bomb. Wedding Crasher. Beautiful. And that is in CoverGirl Queen Collection Major Shade Wedding Crasher. And now I feel like I should try, that's really pretty. I love it. This is Major Shade and No Chill, because I kind of feel like it's like kind of me to be no chill. No chill. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Enjoyed a whole look with CoverGirl. Affordable makeup that's really good quality. No chill. Comment below. Tell me what you want to see. I'll answer you. And follow me on Instagram at Jamie Makeup. Follow me on Twitter at Jamie Makeup. Follow me. Subscribe below. Jamie Makeup Greenberg. Hey! Thanks for everything. Have a great week. Bye.